Good morning. I'm just going for a little walk on the beach. You can quite welcome to join me if you like. It's a bit breezy on the east coast, so I'm hoping this little fluffy microphone will block the wind out. We'll find out. Anyway, you're quite welcome to come and join me for 10 minutes or so. Not a lot to be said, really. Enjoy the walk. It's very breezy, as you can hear. In the distance, there's the Norfolk coast line, probably on Stanton or Wells. Just walking through the dunes. Oh, I feel quite grateful to be living on the coast. It's more or less on my doorstep, so I can walk the beach as often as I can, as long as my legs will last me. So, if you're not near the coast, living in the city or a town on a dreary day, well, why not just join me for a little walk along the beach? You're welcome anytime. And if you like the video, just like it, press that thumbs up sign, and you can even subscribe if you're that way inclined, if you want to see more similar videos. Ooh, we'll get near the shoreline in a minute. It's blowing the cobwebs away. There's a fun fair in the distance. Not for me today, thank you very much. I'll stick to the sand. We'll see. Sorry if the horizon's a bit wobbly, but that's the nature of walking on sand, isn't it? Gets your calf muscles working anyway a little bit. Ah, it's the freshest day you can breathe, actually. Let's go and see some snow, shall we? I don't think there'll be any snow today. You never know. It's quite far out. Looks like it's on the ebb. Low tide. High tide. I don't know what I'm talking about, but it's a good way out. Sometimes it just comes right here. That's probably where the high tide was. Not many was hungry today. I wonder why. You can't beat a bit of sandblasting. It exfoliates your face a little bit. It gets the circulation rushing to your tiny little fingers. I love it. You can't beat it. A panoramic view. There's some of the old guest houses on the promenade. And that stretch of water is the Wash. And King's Lynn's sort of at the other side of the Wash. Then we come back round to Norfolk. You can see it in the distance. It's primordial is the word, I think. You can imagine just walking along this beach. Thousands of years ago. This little bit can't change much. If you just figure out and the little seawall defences. The sea defences are actually buried at the moment, but they do get uncovered depending on the state of the tide. Anyway, this little part of the East Coast hasn't been washed away yet. Who knows, maybe one day. Hopefully not in my lifetime. Not a lot to see, I'm afraid. There's a pier in the distance. The pier is appearing in the distance. Oh, a part of the pier that used to be. First you have a little fight at the end of it, and then the rest of it got washed away during a big storm, I think. That was in my lifetime. Let's go closer to the surf line. It's going to get windy. Noisy. The sounds of nature, hey? I'll try not to get stuck in any sinking sand. Patches of it do appear here, you know, so you could be the witnesses to me to my last video if I'm not careful. Hopefully not. It just looks like the tide's still going out, actually. So I guess it's on its way out, but it's heavy. It looks like that. Like a load of tramping white horses charging towards the coast. Wordsworth or Coleridge. Some poet. I'm not poet. No, you know it. There you go. You join me on my little walk. Last panoramic view, eh? Catch you later.